Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Pisces water sign. This is November bi-weekly reading. This is general, may or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonates and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Pisces water sign. Maybe you're dealing with Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Earth sign. Under the deck, Page of Wands, Wheel of Fortune, King of Cups, Nine of Wands, and Five of Swords. I think there is a big fighting is going between you and your person. Maybe there are some opinion differences between you and your person, Pisces. Maybe your person is backstabbed on you, cheated on you. There is something is going between you and your person. That's why you are guarded up. Yes, you still have strong emotions towards this person, but you are guarded up right now, and for some a brand new person is entering in your life to offer their cup of love to you. Things are turning into your favor. Maybe you're waiting for your time and it is coming here, and there is text, some communication is coming, and for some there is a age difference between you and your person. So let's see your reading. Recent past, Nine of Cups, Three of Pentacles, and Eight of Pentacles. I think you are a very workaholic person here, Pisces. You're just focusing on your work in recent past, and you're wishing for your goal. I think you achieved it. Definitely, you achieved something big in your life in recent past, especially in career wise, because Three of Pentacles with Eight of Pentacles. You're doing a lot of work towards your goals, and you achieved your wish fulfillment. Your wish is fulfilled. What I'm getting, definitely there is wish fulfillment for you in recent past. Then present, Two of Cups, Knight of Pentacles, and Seven of Wands. I think someone is coming towards you to offer their cup of love to you, and I am seeing you have options here, Pisces, and you are in a defensive mode. Yes, you are in a defensive mode, Seven of Wands energy, but someone is ready to offer stability here, and it's a mutual love between you and your person. Two of Cups is here. Maybe you have options, that's why you don't know which one you have to choose. That's why you're in defensive mode here. Then future, Nine of Swords, Four of Swords, and Tower. What's going on? Definitely in future you will go through a lot emotionally, Nine of Swords. Then you will take off from the situation. Then you are going some healing process due to, because Nine of Swords with Tower, you are going through emotionally a lot, or you will go through emotionally a lot, but you will heal from this energy because Four of Swords is here. Maybe some situations going very badly between you and your person, that's why you're just taking off from the situation here. You're just doing your own thing, and the person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. So let's see your person current feelings and their intentions. Then we will get more clarity what is going between you and your person. Again, under the deck, Five of Swords. Yeah, I think there is no partnership between you and your person. This person is always in and out of your life. So let's see their current feelings and intentions. Pisces. Maybe you are dealing with Leo. Okay. So let's see their intentions also. And under the deck, 10 of cups, 7 of swords, 9 of swords, and 9 of cups, and page of swords. Maybe they're spying you on social media. Yes, they're wishing for this connection. You are their wish fulfillment here. Now they have regrets. Maybe they're thinking about you a lot. I think they did something wrong to you here, Pisces. 7 of swords. Maybe they played so many games with you. Maybe your person is a cheater or liar, but now they want to be with you. And 10 of cups, they want to offer 10 of cups. I am seeing the other person is also involved in this connection. Marriage is involved. Maybe your person is already married and having kids with other person, for some, not for all. So their current feelings, 8 of swords, the sun, and ace of wands. They are feeling stuck right now, but they want passionate new beginnings with you if you are in separation. If not, they want to take this relationship to next level, because 8 of swords with sun and ace of wands. They are very, very attracted to you, and they want passionate new beginnings. And their intentions, 3 of wands, page of wands, and magician. Maybe some of you, your person is manifesting you back into their life, and there is text and communication is coming. Yeah, they want some positive growth in this relationship. Lots of you are in long distance relationship, living in different cities, countries, or states. Yeah, they want passionate new beginnings, and there is text is coming in your way. So let's pull some cards from universe where this relationship is headed on. Yeah, apology is coming, and they want to offer stability here. At the same time, your person is also very independent and workaholic person, but now they want to reconcile with you, because 10 of cups, page of cups, and 9 of pentacles. But some trust issues involved here. Some of you are not trusting this person. Yeah, for some third party involved in this relationship, I think some of you also want to reconcile with this person, because you still have strong emotions towards this person. Yeah, maybe you're waiting for their call and text. It is coming. Lots of communication is coming, and apology is also coming. Yeah. So let's see mutual energies and final outcome between you and your person, Pisces. I think you both are very independent, powerful people here. You both are financially very, very stable. I think you started listening to your intuition and trusting your intuition, Pisces, but there is communication and apologies coming in your way. Then it's up to you what to do, what not to do. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel, Pisces. I'm serious about you. Options, I realized my mistake. I'm serious about you. Options, and I realized my mistake are the messages. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck for you, Pisces. Nothing will come of the situation, and you are good enough. Full moon in Virgo. Maybe you are dealing with Virgo here. And for some, definitely nothing will come out of the situation, because some of you, your person really playing games with you. That's why maybe you don't want to give another chance. And for some, definitely there is a chance, because there is communication is coming. Some of you will give second chance, and some of you, it will depend on your situation. And if fairy climax approaches, full moon in Aries, maybe you are dealing with Aries here. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel, and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.